everybody, sorry about that. I got a little long-winded. I promise I'm almost done, but the video is cut out at 15 minutes. So I just wanted to, again, this is your study guide. These are all instructions from me. The history content goes in chronological order. Again, this is every social studies standard from kindergarten through 5th grade. And then I have government questions and economic questions. Most of these you can probably just answer off the top of your head. A couple of the economic ones you may need to look up. And then the geography ones, again, are not required for the final. But I wanted to list it on here just so you could see everything that will be required of you. One thing about the study guide, again, you can work in groups, but note my note here. So when identifying people, do not give their life story, just 1 to 2 sentences tops about their contributions impact. So like here we have these different explorers. Give me 1 to 2 sentences about Christopher Columbus. I don't need to know when he was born. I don't need to know where he was educated. I don't need to know all of the stuff. You're just giving me 1 to 2 sentences about the impact that they had. And then move on, okay? Because, you know, as you go through, you'll have a lot of people that you need to identify. The people is probably going to be the most challenging part, but look for this century, look in the topics that are being explored so that you can see how they all interact, because I have it organized that way. Okay, so part 2 again of your final will be a gallery walk that of your completed journey boxes. So you're going to actually display your journey box and show the class the different things that are inside of it. And I know I keep saying journey box, but journey box are going to be your key assessment. These are 2 pictures of different examples of journey boxes. The journey box are going to include 6 activities about social studies topic explored in the K through 5 grade levels. You are choosing your topic, and we will help hone your topic better as to what exactly you want to do when you have your virtual meeting with me. Each journey box will include primary sources, a variety of them, and activities and questions to help the students explore multiple perspectives about the topic. And then on July 30th is our gallery walk. I'm really excited about the journey boxes. They're super fun to work with, and your students will love them too. So I promise to give you a great demonstration of them when I see you on the 18th. And that is about it. So these are the actual physical journey boxes. I wanted to show you, I created a skeleton, sort of a skeleton website. So for a sample, so your journey box, your digital journey box will include, you know, your topic, your narrative, this is straight from your syllabus, and then you'll have your different activities, which have different tabs. I will create a video for you all just to show you the basics of how to create a Google site in case you're not familiar with it, but you can use Weebly or EduBlogs or whatever you would like, whatever you're most familiar with. And you can use it that way as well. But this is just a kind of a skeleton site. It literally took me about 5 minutes to do. They're really easy. And that is about it. I'm so thrilled to be your professor for this course. I really am very excited about social studies, and I will send you lots and lots and lots of resources because social studies, it gets cut out of most elementary school classes because it's untested in most areas. But it's where the magic happens. It's where you actually get to utilize the reading and writing skills that you've been working all this time with, where you get to use the math to analyze these different charts and graphs. So, you know, this is where the magic happens, and so social studies can be so much fun for your students and very engaging. So I hope that you were excited to be a part of Team Social Studies with me, and let me know if you have any questions. I am very happy to help. And with that, I will see you all soon. Like I said, I'll be posting a couple of these videos just to help guide you through the course to make sure that you understand what the pedagogy activity is for the week, how to create the website, because I know it can be a little bit can be lost in translation if it's strictly online. So, see you guys later. Adios.